Today we talk about how can you add your gender on your recap. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on edit profile. So then come to this list here and you click here on personal info here, click on it. So then you come to this list, you just switch into open video here. So it's going to take a time here to open video and you click here on personal data. Then you come to gender, click in this sign, click on it. And here can you so if you are female you add it, and if you are male here you add it. You just click on it, click here on save changes, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.